This will be a freeze test of the OnePlus 6T. So we'll be freeze testing one, which is this one on the right, and then the left OnePlus 6T. I'm going to use that to keep track of time. So let's do that right now. Open the clock, and where's the stopwatch? So there it is. And this is the OnePlus 6T I'm about to test. So you can see. Very nice. Look at that back, nice and shiny. Mirror black, so you can see. OnePlus 6T. Definitely a very good phone, especially for the price. Snapdragon 845. This one is a 6GB of RAM model. Very good performing phone for a reasonable price, around $550 or so. Very nice. This is just a simple test. No liquids or anything. Just want to see if the phone can handle some cold temps. So there it is in the container. Put my lid. If I can put it on. My God. There we go. Very nice. Go to the icebox and take the phone so you can see. And we'll just place it there. Nice and easy. So let me reach over and get the 6T so you can see and start the clock on that. So I'll put it in for about, I don't know, a few hours. We'll see how it handles the cold temps. Close this up. And there you go. OnePlus 6T in the icebox. I'll see you in a few hours. So let's check the clock right now. And as you can see, it's about 5.5 hours. So you can see. So let's go ahead and check the phone. I think that's long enough. OnePlus 6T doesn't really have an IP rating or anything like that. So let's just see what we're dealing with. Oh man. Well, go ahead and close the icebox. So let's see what we're dealing with. Here's my other OnePlus 6T, so you can see. And here's the frozen one, or the one in the freezer. Let's check this out real quick. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Feels really cold to the touch. Look at that. Frost. Oh, this thing's cold. Whew. Man, that is cold. That is hella cold. So you can see. Take a look at the camera lens. Let me take the frost off. Take a look at that. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay, this is hella cold. Wow. Whew. Let me see. Oh, it works. Look at that. Oh, what is this? Pocket mode on or something? What is that saying? Pocket mode on? Why is it saying that? Thinks it's inside a pocket? Okay, let me read this. What does that say? Please do not cover the blue area of your phone. Oh, okay, the blue area. It's talking about where the camera hole is. All right, so let me see if I can get that condensation off the lens. So it's not gonna think it's in pocket mode. All right, that should do it, I hope. Try it again. Here we go. Very nice. All right, so let's just take a look at the phone real quick. Scrolling seems to work fine. Let's go to settings. Okay, and let's scroll. Yeah, the scrolling seems to be working fine. I mean, there's frosting on the screen as you can see, but touch responsiveness is still working. And the protector's still on there, so. All right, very nice. Whew, this phone's cold. But let's test out the camera, see what that looks like. And kind of blurry. We'll see if that clears up. Let me take a picture of this. And let's take a look at the picture. All right, a little blurry, but let's see if I can clean the lens. Okay, let me just do it this way. Kind of ghetto, but there. I think that should do the trick. All right, let's try that again. There you go, much clearer. Take a picture of that. Let's take a look at the pic. Oh yeah, much clearer. Okay, so I think the camera works. Let's test the speaker real quick. Go to YouTube right now. And let me do this real quick. Let's play. Alright, so the speaker still works. Seems to be unaffected by the cold temperature inside. So that's very good. And let's take a look at the battery percentage. I believe when I put it in the freezer a few hours ago, it was at 100 or 99%. And looking at it right now, it says 96%. So not much of a loss. Cool. So overall, I'd say this phone is working 100%. Yeah, this phone still works. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this test. Now again, you shouldn't try this at home. The OnePlus 6T is not IP67 or 68 certified, but this is just a quick little test to see how it can handle low temperatures. So maybe if you're in that type of environment and you leave your phone outside for a few hours, you have the OnePlus 6T, it'll survive. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.